sis. Are you ready for me to do your eyebrows? Awesome. I did bring like gloves just to wear on one of my hands so I don't get so much product all over myself, but relax. This will be just a very relaxing eyebrow plucking, tweezing session, whatever you want to call it. I have my tweezers in my little kit, so we'll get going, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm actually just going to brush your hair back so you can put on a headband while we do your brows for you. Let's just kind of brush that hair. Just make it super relaxing. Baby hair and pinks back here. Okay, let's put this over your head. Nice and perfect. Push this back. Okay. Does that feel nice and snug? Good. Alright, the next thing I want to do is just put a little cleanser on your brows. Love the glove sounds. Just a little bit of a cleanser that we're just going to wipe off here with some water just to kind of prep the skin a little bit. Okay, we should be good to go with this cleanser just to kind of remove any excess old makeup or oils. And then, where is my, there it is. Just gonna spray a little bit of water on each brow to kind of clean it off. Perfect. Let's take this. I'm just going to do an initial brush on this brow to kind of see what we're working with here. And then we will probably start with some general tweezing. Okay, so let's go in with this then. Don't worry, I am taking my time. They are looking so good. We'll do a little bit here in the midsection. on to this brow. Actually brush it a little bit. Okay. This one I don't think we'll need as much tweezing, but we'll see. Maybe it does need just as much. Sorry. I think the tweezing is all set. The next thing we will be just kind of trimming the longer hairs that we do want to keep for the fullness. So let me grab that. Cool. All right, so just gonna go in, do some little brow trims. Your brows are gorgeous. So full, but so gorgeous for sure. Okay, let's do this brow. I'm going in like super tiny sections. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Awesome. And let's see how the brows are looking. Perfect. Now I think we're ready to fill them. So take this little end here. And then we can go on to the other brow. Looking so beautiful. Okay, let's go on in this one. Okay, let's kind of compare them here. All right, I think we are done filling them. They are looking absolutely gorgeous. Let's go in with a final gel filler. There's like so many hairs on this. Like, how does that even get there? eyebrows look absolutely gorgeous. I think you are honestly going to be so happy with them. Let's do like a final spray here for you, just to kind of keep everything super moisturized well, but they look so great. Okay, let's put this back on. I will take off your little headband here for you. There you go. But your brows are looking absolutely gorgeous. If you want, you could take some of these products if you end up going out. But honestly, they look absolutely fantastic. If anything, why don't you go look in the mirror, and then if you need me to adjust anything, just let me know. But if I were you, I wouldn't change a thing. All right, well, how about you go check out that mirror and just, I'll keep my stuff here in case you see anything.